Today, we're at a sheep farm with one of Tella's school friends. There he is. Hi, Yujin. Ooh, wow. This place is quite crowded because it's really close to Seoul. Wow. Ria, look at the sheep. Oh, they're so pretty. Look, he wants some food.
No.
Go feed it.
No.
Oh, let's get one of those plastic. Oh, never mind. Just use your hands. They're all taken. The plastic buckets are all taken. It's waiting quietly.
Hey, why do you numbers?
Give it a little more than that, Ria. And now we're in the area where they have all the baby animals. And they're free. And we can pet them and feed them. Oh, it's a piggy.
Ew, it pooped.
It pooped. Ew, gross. Wow, that bunny is really big. Oh, cute. More sheep. Look at that ostrich.
There too.
Where? Ooh. Oh. I think it's a girl and a boy. They're pretty. They're geese? Oh my gosh. Oh. These beautiful sheep grazing over here. It's coming, Ria. It's coming. Come and get some hay. Ah, this is the playground. And we're trying to find Tella because she went off with her friend. We found you. Go play in the playground. Did you see the playground?
You were here about 10 minutes ago.
Oh, sorry to keep you waiting. Go play. There are these cool hammocks here. And this thing to climb and a really cool slide.
I'll sit. Okay, I'll stand.
Okay, now push her. Is it easier to push or to pull? They have these cool wheelbarrows here where you can push around your kids. Oh, this place is so pretty. I'm happy that they have a lot of space to run around and play. Oh, they're so pretty. Ooh, careful of your fingers. Oh, that's cute. So we had a really good day and it was nice and warm and we had fun with the animals. Girls, what was your favorite part today?
The playground.
The playground. And what about you, Ria?
Oh no. I had fun with that balancing thingy.
What balancing thingy?
There are there are two wood thingies. One's taller, but I only did the short one. And there's also a rope where we balance on.
Cool.
And don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. Bye.